In 1908, Henry Ford didn't just build a car, he built a machine that killed distances, shrank the planet, and put the middle class on wheels, the Model T. But over a century later, the automotive world is broken. EVs are getting heavier, screen-obsessed, over-engineered, and frankly, too expensive for the everyday driver. Which is exactly why Ford is doing something radical. They aren't just launching another electric crossover. They are reaching into the grave to resurrect their most legendary nameplate.
This is the 2027 Ford Model T concept, and it might just change the entire industry all over again. Here is why. To understand why this concept matters, we have to look at the psychology of the modern car market. Right now, every manufacturer is fighting an arms race of complexity, bigger screens, self-driving promises that are always 2 years away, and price tags that feel like a second mortgage. We were promised that the electric era would democratize driving. Instead, it made it an exclusive club. Henry Ford's original vision was a car so cheap that the people who built it could actually afford to buy it. Today, that philosophy is practically dead. Enter the 2027 concept. Ford isn't chasing supercar performance or living room luxury here. They are chasing something far scarcer: mass accessibility. Visually, the 2027 Model T is a masterclass in retrofuturism. It honors the tall, upright, space-efficient stance of the original Tin Lizzie, but strips away the clutter. Look at the front end. Those round, friendly LED headlights frame a digital screen that communicates with pedestrians. But the real magic isn't the styling. It's the manufacturing psychology. Behind the scenes, Ford is reinventing the assembly line itself. Rumors suggest this platform uses 25% fewer fasteners, a drastically simplified wiring harness that's 10 kilos lighter, and a hyper-efficient production loop. Step inside and it hits you. There is no massive, distracting 50-inch screen. Instead, the cabin is sparse, airy, and entirely modular. It relies heavily on your personal device or an incredibly intuitive voice AI codenamed Henry to manage navigation and data. Need to haul groceries? The seats clip out. Want to run a mobile market stall or a pop-up business? The flat floor is built for it. It's a tool, not a status symbol. But here is where the story takes a fascinating turn. There's a massive debate split right down the middle of the auto industry. Half the industry believes Ford will drop this as an ultra-affordable $12,000 to $20,000 urban utility vehicle to completely undercut entry-level EVs. The other half whispers that Ford might pull a brilliant marketing pivot, launching a highly exclusive premium heritage edition priced closer to $55,000, selling pure nostalgia and storytelling to collectors. Think about the irony. The car that originally ended horse-drawn carriages because it was cheap, returning as a premium design statement piece. But honestly, even if it sits in a premium bracket, none of its competitors possess what this car has in spades: a soul. People don't just buy specifications, they buy stories. Ultimately, the 2027 Ford Model T concept represents a bridge between mechanical heritage and digital intelligence. It reminds us that true innovation doesn't always mean adding more tech. Sometimes true progress is about returning to simplicity in a smarter way. If Ford actually builds this with the honesty and purpose of the original, it won't just change their lineup. It might just force the entire industry to rethink what a modern car should be. So, would you drive a modern minimalist Model T? Or is the retro-futuristic trend getting out of hand? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, smash that like button, and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the future of automotive history. I'll see you in the next one.